Valentine's Day decor doesn't have to be expensive. DIY decorations bring heart, creativity, and personality into every corner of your home. From paper crafts to romantic centerpieces, handmade decor adds warmth and love to the holiday. Whether you prefer simple projects or detailed creations, DIY Valentine decorating ideas help transform your space into a cozy celebration of love. Let's explore charming DIY decorations you can create easily and beautifully. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's an easy DIY garland idea? Cut out hearts from colored paper and string them with twine. Hang your garland on windows, mantels, or shelves for instant Valentine charm. Garland ready? Like this if your space already feels sweeter. What's a fun DIY for kids or family? Make paper flowers, painted rocks, or heart wands. Family projects bring joy and help everyone get involved in the celebration. Family crafting? Like this if your projects bring smiles all around. What's a cute DIY centerpiece idea? Fill a vase with roses, branches, or heart picks. Add ribbon or glitter accents for a centerpiece that feels bright and heartfelt. Centerpiece placed, like this if your table shines with love. What about DIY table accents? Craft heart-shaped place cards, napkin rings, or mini bouquets. These little touches make any meal feel extra thoughtful and festive. Table dressed? Like this if your Valentine dining feels special. How do I start creating DIY Valentine decorations? Begin with a color palette: reds, pinks, and whites. Collect simple craft supplies like paper, ribbons, and jars to build your handmade decor collection. Ready to craft? Like this if your Valentine vision is coming to life. How do I make DIY hanging decorations? Create lanterns, layered hearts, or tissue pom-poms. Hanging pieces add movement and dimension to your Valentine setup. Hanging decor ready? Like this if your space feels playful and sweet. How do I finish my DIY Valentine setup? Place decor in layers: garlands high, accents on tables, candles low. Step back and adjust until your space feels warm, romantic, and balanced. Finished beautifully? Like this if your home is Valentine ready. How do I create DIY wall art? Frame heart patterns, love quotes, or button art. Simple prints and handmade pieces turn empty walls into charming Valentine displays. Wall art done? Like this if your room feels beautifully decorated. How do I add glitter without making a mess? Use glitter paper, pre-glittered stickers, or sealed glitter projects. This keeps sparkle contained while adding bright Valentine shine. Sparkle added? Like this if your decor glows just right. How can I make romantic candle holders? Wrap jars with lace or heart-cut paper. Add tea lights for a warm glow that brings soft, cozy Valentine ambiance to any room. Candlelight glowing? Like this if your decor feels warm and romantic. Can I use photos in Valentine decor? Yes. Add small frames, photo banners, or memory collages. Personalized decor celebrates moments of love and brings warmth to the room. Memories added? Like this if your decor feels personal and heartfelt. Can I reuse everyday items for decorations? Absolutely. Use jars, boxes, or fabric scraps. Add paint or ribbon to transform them into Valentine decor with unique character. Upcycled magic? Like this if your decor feels creative and smart. DIY Valentine decor brings heart and creativity into your home. With simple materials and thoughtful touches, you can create romantic, playful, and unforgettable decorations. Celebrate love with handmade charm and enjoy every moment of crafting and decorating. Inspired by these DIY ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.